welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. Today we're going to take a look at the exhaust of this beautiful 190D because I do hear the exhaust clanging against the chassis or something. You don't hear it while driving. I mainly hear it when I start the engine, so let's take a look what the issue is. I know, selfie first, safety last. Not in this case. The car is up on the ramp. Before I stick my head under the car, of course I put the car in D and pulled the handbrake and put some wedges in front of the wheel so the car can't run anywhere. Double check if the car is really sitting tightly on our little ramps, and it does. Well, not a perfect hit here, but it should be fine. So let's take a look at the exhaust. Just in case you wonder, the car is not wet, it's not oiled, it has been waxed with hot fluid film so we don't get any rust. So here we have the exhaust. I'm trying to find where it is clanging against something. Those rubbers don't look too good, but they're still intact. There's even this little rubber on the lever, on the holder here. This one is still good. And a little damper here.
Ja, machst du da alles kaputt?
Auf jeden Fall. So, everything looks so far so good. Huh. That rubber looks good too. The new Hardy disc. Huh. I guess we need new rubbers here so they sit a bit tighter and keep this end piece, which is still in good condition, yeah, to reduce the movement. And of course I don't have them here, so I need to buy those, put them on, and everything is fixed. Nice to look at the car. Actually in quite fine condition. Need to watch this here a bit. But all in all, I'd say fine condition. And of course I didn't talk about how fun it is to exchange those rubber rings. So the idea is do it easy. Take the car jack up the final end from the exhaust, somehow peel off the existing but not so good rubbers and put the new ones on. So let's see if my idea works. I don't want to ruin the final damper. Doesn't look too bad. Question is, how do I get the new ones on? Already a task to peel the old ones off. Okay, so far I won't complain. Take a look at the replacement parts. Here we go. You can see it right. Should be a fit. See it a bit better. Getting you a bit closer to the front. Oh, if you can see it. See, got one goes on here, the other one on there. Question is, or the challenge is, not to damage those. That was one. Let's try number two. Better wear some gloves here, just because. True. So the other side was easier, huh? I'm sorry. Huh. Oh, let's try it. this way. Push it. That was the camera. But well. Done. Oh, sorry you couldn't watch me. So you could see it, but there you can see it. That one is on, the other one is on. And now we'll lower the lift and see how the noise is. So the jack is down. And both rubber rings sitting tight, and I bet the clamping is gone. So thank you for watching part 2. See you in another video, and stay safe and healthy. Bye.